Hi, this is Das from Das Tech. Today I will discuss about the latest update of Windows 11 version 24H2 for 64-bit system, which is knowledge base 5052093. Okay, so this particular update has been released on my Dell Inspiron 153,000 series right yesterday night. Okay, and as soon as it was available for this particular series, I'm getting this particular update, and this update is basically some February 25 2025 update, and its OS build number is 26100.3323 preview. Okay, so this particular update you might have got in the previous time before than my update. Okay, so as this particular update is highlighted by Windows support, Microsoft support system, is that it is a gradual rollout, and this might not be available to all users because they will roll out gradually. Okay, so that means you might have get this particular update before my update. Okay, but the thing is that as I have got this particular update right yesterday, I'll show you this particular update process step by step, and I'll try to show you what the effects will be or what the updates will be available in this particular update. Okay, that means as per Windows or as per Microsoft, there will be some fixed issues, like it might identify an HDD as an SSD. Okay, some new taskbar. You can now share files directly from a jump list on the taskbar. Jump list appear when you right click an app that has a jump list. Okay, and then some specific improvements you might see is that there is a quick and easy way to find out more information about the background image, and simply hover over the image or click the learn about this picture icon. Right now this particular feature is not available over here. See, over here I cannot get while what the picture about in my background. Okay, so this thing after the update process is over, after I install the update, this particular thing might come over here as per Microsoft. Okay, so whatever. And another feature, maybe this update makes Windows Spotlight easier to find. You will notice changes to the icon color and background. Also the icon will show at the lower right area on your desktop. And some another lock screen feature. This update makes it easier to learn more about the image on your lock screen when you select the like button. Okay, so these particular things you can see, and there are several issues has been fixed, like improves performance when it loads folder that have a large number of media files. I was having some issues while I was opening some folders. Okay, so it was taking some time to open while it had some media files. Okay, so this particular issue might have been solved after installing this particular software. So let's go directly to the installation process from the settings. Okay, so you go over there from start menu, from the settings. Okay, and under settings at the Windows update right corner you may get this one, and after checking this particular thing might come. Okay, so as this particular update has already been downloaded from Microsoft server, so it is asking me to restart. Okay, so as I press this particular restart button, it will start installation process, and it will take somehow 4 to 5 minutes, as estimated time has been given by Microsoft. Is estimated time is 4 minutes. So let us start this particular installation right here right now. Okay, so before that I'll start my stopwatch over here. Okay, so I am putting the stopwatch. I'm putting the stopwatch on, and putting the restart button. Let us see how much time it would take. As per Microsoft, it is 4 minutes estimated. So now the updates are underway, and let us see how much time it would take. So let us wait, guys. Now it is restarting. At 1 minute 40 seconds. Still I'm 30% there. So let us again wait. So at 2 minute 40 seconds, I'm almost 100% and the installation has almost been finished. So let us see how much more time it would take. Almost 2 minutes 52 seconds have been elapsed. Okay, so at 3 minutes 10 seconds it has complete its installation. So I am putting down this stopwatch right over here. Okay, so now I'll just give my passcode, give my PIN, and see it is ready. The system is ready for use. Now let us see whether the installation is complete or not. I'll go to the settings again and I'll check again the Windows update. So you are up to date, it is showing. So now let us check whether this particular update was installed or not. See over here, this one was the last update, KB5052093, which is successfully installed on right today, that means 6th of March 2025. Okay, so now again I'll check this particular Microsoft site to see what they said. Okay, so this was the particular site from where I was getting the information, which was February 2025, KB5052093 with OS build number 26100.3323 preview. Okay, so these were some of the features I had to get in this particular update. So let us check whether this particular feature, there is a quick and easy way to find out more information about the background image. Simply hover the image or click on the learn about this picture icon. Okay, so let us see whether this will work or not. So guys, these particular updates, that means you can now share files directly from jump list from the taskbar. So this is not working yet for me. Okay, so then there is quick and easy way to find out more information about the background image. I'm hovering over here, but it is not showing. But the thing is that most probably the lock screen new, this update makes it easier to learn more about the image on your lock screen when you select and like the button. So over here, let us lock my laptop and see over here at the right top corner, like the image, it is showing the public of allow. This is the copyright of Blue Orange Studio or Adobe stock. Okay, so this particular information of this background image is showing right here right now. So that means these improvements has been working on here. Okay, but the previous ones still is not available, as they have mentioned that this might not be available to all users because they will roll out gradually. Okay, so these are the things I have not yet received, these things, but the lock screen I have got over there, like that. And if you guys have got any other new things which has been mentioned over here, you may write on the comment section of this video. Okay, and there are some fixed issues also. Improves performance when it loads folders have a large number of media files. Might be my issues has been resolved. Okay, so this is the thing. Thank you guys, thank you very much, thank you for your time. And if you like this video, okay, like it on the button and then subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, thank you very much, thank you for your time.